Sea Rescue estimates that there are 2,000 fatal drowning incidents each year in South Africa, whether in 2 centimeters of river water or sea. More than 600 of these fatal drownings are children. The NSRI education program, established in 2006, has reached 2 million children across South Africa by giving them water safety lessons in their own classrooms. Our professional water safety instructors visit schools throughout the country, from Khayelitsha to Soweto, from Ceres to Sebokeng. Our water safety instructors teach children to have a plan before they approach a body of water, no matter the conditions or the depth. We teach students about the general dangers of water, as well as those specific to their relevant area. We teach them how to avoid these dangers, how to help a friend without endangering their own life, who to call for help, and very importantly, how to do hands-on CPR. Each year, our water safety instructors teach over 320,000 children a water safety lesson they would otherwise not be taught. Designed to fit into a single school period, at the end of the lesson the students will understand the dangers involved in trying to help someone who is drowning. Through interactive exercises and activities, they will know how to safely assist a friend who is in danger of drowning, and they will know the 10177 emergency number. The ultimate reward for a water safety instructor is when they revisit a school and realize that the students remember what they were taught a year ago. Or better still, that a student survived a near-drowning incident thanks to the advice and training gained in a water safety lesson. Students thoroughly enjoy our water safety lessons. Our instructors are skilled in making the lessons fun and, most importantly, memorable.